Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine and I'm going to whip together a fun no-bake recipe that is super simple. I'm going to be using up some pistachio seeds and some pumpkin seeds, and it literally is only 5 ingredients. So I thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay friends, super simple. I've got my food processor out. I've got all my ingredients, and it's actually a really simple recipe. So it is half a cup of pistachios. We're putting right into the food processor. Half a cup of, what I'm using is pumpkin seeds, but you can use whatever, like if you want sesame seeds or what have you. And so pumpkin seeds are also known as pepitas. And then half a cup of your nut butter. I'm actually using almond butter. And I'm just adding that in. And we're literally gonna mix it all together. So, there we go. And then, the other thing that's really unique about this recipe that kind of holds the balls together is that we're using dates. So, if you saw my other video, I use dates to sweeten up my cashew milk for my coffee creamer, and you can use that very easily. So I have this dry canned already for the season, but I'm just gonna open it up. And I do have a couple videos on dry canning, but it says 1 cup. I'm gonna kind of stuff it because they're pretty bulky, obviously. So everything else is a half a cup. So right now we're only doing 5 ingredients. I have a cookie sheet out with some parchment paper on it. And like I said, I'm just gonna kind of try to stuff this in there. And this is a really nice, quick, easy, throw this together before a party and throw it in the freezer, and you've got your fun, different dessert. So we're adding that 1 cup. And then we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And you can use a liquid as well. I'm just utilizing what I've got open. And then we're just gonna blend it together. Okay. Actually, let me get this on first. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to pulse it. And the big thing too is to not to overdo it. But I'm just gonna get going here. Okay. I think that looks pretty good consistency. It looks like everything is chopped up. Now that I got the lid on. Okay, that looks really good. Kind of fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scooper out to get a nice big chunk and put it in my hand, and I'm going to make a ball. And then the big thing you want to remember with this too is that you want to make sure and put them in an airtight container. And actually that's really big, but that's okay. Put it in an airtight container and in the fridge. Right now we're gonna freeze it for the consistency and check it out. But I'm gonna get rolling here. Okay friends, I got them all rolled out, and now let's get them in the freezer. Okay friends, it has been a half hour and they are actually firmed up really nicely. So they look great, and I'm actually really excited to try them. I normally make them with sesame seeds, and you can make them with chia seeds, etc. And then same with the butters. I actually used almond butter. You can use peanut butter, cashew butter, etc. So I just thought I'd show you a really fun, simple recipe, especially with the holidays around the corner. You can whip these up, throw them in the freezer while you're finishing getting ready, and then boom, you're done. Throw them in a container and then keep them in the fridge. So thanks for stopping by my little channel. And if you like super simple recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Now let me try this. Yeah. Delicious. Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine, and I'm gonna whip together. And I am gonna be using up some pumpkin seeds and some pistachio.